Hey, good morning or good afternoon, depending on where you are around the world. Wanted Apollo here. Fired up and grateful, guys, for another day to be able to share with you. Oh, wash and wear my hair. Today in New England, guys, it was scorching. For many of you out there that know me, I'm a flagger, and whoa, it was sure hot down there on Smith Street. I gotta tell you, no shade. But grateful for the JOB, right? Because the JOB helps us, right? Pay the rent, pay the bills, and buy whatever that we want, right? But the financial freedom, right? The ability to create, right? I love that. To be creators. That's what we are. We're creators. That's what we talked about on the call. And I love that because the community I share with you each and every morning, that morning mastermind call where we learn skills from Think and Grow Rich, Principle-Centered Leadership Skills by Napoleon Hill. You know, that book was written 100 years ago and it applies to today. And I love that. And when I was talking to you about being creative, there's so many people in our community, right? And there's no competition. Like when you go to our events, there's no like white table and you sit there and they sit there, depending on the money you make. We're like one big family, and I love that. It's the first event I've ever been to that I've never been sold nothing. The only thing I was sold was a lot of hugs and friendships, like-minded people. Have you ever started something and you feel like, wow, you're the only one? Well, for me, like personal development, I don't have many friends that really work on things, but I do have a couple friends that are sober, so they work on sobriety. I love that. And it's important to take a personal inventory of yourself. You know, don't worry about what other people think. You know, people think because of your past, that's how you're always going to be. Don't believe that. Your past doesn't predict your future. You do. You're in control of it. That's the thing, you know, if we realized that we had everything we needed inside of us to succeed, right? And so didn't everybody else. I love that. The other thing I want to talk to you about is if you have a product or service you want to get it out to the world, guys, for $25, the price of a pizza, it's per month. Yes, it is per month. But you control that website, the pages, you know, the checkout pages, the thank you pages, your emails. That's really important when you have a business because you want to stay connected, right, with your tribe, right? So that's why I encourage you, right, to click the link in my bio if you have a product or service, right? If you want to check out my free book, I got that too. That's in my bio. But just join the mastermind, guys, in the morning. It's absolutely free. Working on yourself could be the best thing you ever did in your life. And just focus on self-care, right? Self-care is important. Yes, guys, even manicures. I do know men that do get their toes done, which is great because, you know what? We all need to take care of our fingernails and our toes. So, anyway, I love you guys. I appreciate you. I want to thank everybody, my prayer warriors out there that prayed for my cousin. There is power in prayer, guys. There is power in prayer, and I just want to thank you. She woke up, she talked to her mom, and she's just tired. So, as always, do something good for somebody else in the space and knowing they can't repay you. I love you guys. I appreciate you. Like, share, and comment. Hit the link in my bio. Subscribe to my email list. And we're on this journey of growth together. Have an awesome day.